Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create Snapchat public profile. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your Snapchat application. Once it will be opened, then on the top left side here, tap on your profile icon. Before creating public profile, on the right top, tap on this gear icon to go to settings to make some changes in privacy setting. Scroll down and tap on this option, Contact Me, and set it to the option, Friends and Contacts. Go back and tap on this option, See Me in Quick Add, and turn this button on. Now go back to your profile. And here is the option, My Public Profile. Tap on it, then tap on OK. And your public profile was successfully created. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can create Snapchat public profile. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.